On behalf of this entire flight crew and Southwest Airlines, welcome to Denver. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened, seat back and tray tables in its full upright and locked position, and carry-on items completely under the seat in front of you, leaving the area around your feet clear. You may now use your cell phones as long as it is within reach. When we arrive at the gate and the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign, please be very careful when you're opening up the overhead bins. Items could have shifted during flight and could fall out. If you're continuing with us to Salt Lake City or Los Angeles, this is your aircraft. Please remain seated. We do need to get an accurate through count. Daniel will count you from the back, and when we do have that count, we'll make an announcement, and you can move about the cabin after that. So once again, please remain seated if you're continuing on with us. If you're changing planes here in Denver, check the TV monitor when you're inside the terminal for your flight and gate number. If Denver is your final destination, go out, have a great day. Looks pretty nice and sunny out there. And if this is your home, welcome home. Once again, thank you so much for choosing Southwest Airlines. We know that you have a lot of choices when you fly. Welcome to Denver.